Hi there, and welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom. Today is the 16th of November 2020, and we're going to look at the US stock market and what is going on. So, we can see we are 6 hours before the market open, and we are seeing futures go up. So, we have S&P futures go up, Dow futures go up, Nasdaq futures go up, Russell futures go up, and crude oil is going up 2.5%. So, uh, what does that mean? That probably means that we're going to see a new rally today from the other week. We have still COVID cases growing in the United States, and we're probably going to see the rise of vaccine stocks. So, Yahoo Finance says stock market news live update. Stock futures rise as traders look to build on last week's rally. So, contracts on Dow rose 132 points, and I think that today or this week we're going to see Boeing stock rise because the market is expecting the certification of FAA for the Boeing 737 MAX, and this is why I think that right now at this moment Boeing is still a good stock to buy for the day, but we will see in the day how it's going on. And we have some earnings this week. Let us see. So we have Walmart, and we can see that is going. Let us see what is going on with Walmart. But okay, Walmart, I think that right now is in a little bit of difficulty because people are not going out as much as they used before. So if there's going to be a lockdown, we are probably going to see the return of the online businesses and stock. And stocks, there are big tech stocks. So what about I wanted to say that let's look at Chasing Financial Freedom, the web page. So um, how can you create a great trading investing mindset? This is a post that I have written today. So some time ago, I watched an interview with Kobe Bryant, and his life story inspired me a lot. His motto was to create the best possible Kobe, so the best possible basketball player. His only purpose on the field was to become the best at his craft. And what is our craft? Our craft, as I see it, is to become great at the trading investing game. This is our craft. So the question is, how are you going to create the best possible version of an investor or trader? Because when we are better at our game, we can invest smartly and we can be better. So the first step is to create a great foundation. I always say, if you want to know how tall a building is going to be, look at how deep are they excavating the foundations. So your foundation is your mindset. And the stronger your mindset, the stronger you're going to be on the stock market field. So you need to hone your trading and investing skills. Study and learn as much as possible about the fundamentals and technicals of a stock. And one thing that is important to avoid is emotional trading. So your greatest asset is yourself. So keep your mind, body and soul in shape. Stop trading emotionally and start trading logically. I will go in depth on this subject in another post, but the first thing that you can do is to create the best possible trading strategy for yourself. Treat yourself as an entrepreneur. Adopt a growth mindset. You are not set in stone, so you can change, you can grow. As Carol Dweck explained in her great book, The Mindset, you can become a better investor and trader. Definitely, you can be. So, how to become a great investor? If you want to be a great investor, you need to have the mindset and skills of an investor. So, create it daily. Daily practice and become a stock visionary. Why? Because you have to hone the ability to look into the future and see, or better said, predict how the future is going to unfold for a certain stock. What do you see about a potential stock in 6 months, 1 year, 10 years? Think about it, write about it. It is the best thing that you can do. And in conclusion, what do the best in the world have? It is a team. So it is very hard to do it all by yourself. The best way to go about is to join a community where you can learn and work with others, and we can all work together. And returning to Yahoo Finance, what about, I was looking at NIO, which had a great rally last week, and we have seen then a small drop. Let's look at from year to date. And we have seen NIO here when it was, let me look from year to date. So here in March and here when the price fell to 240, there was a prediction that maybe this stock is going to go bankrupt. But then we had some news of government backing and so good earnings calls. So the stock grew exponentially. And here we have seen 48.30. So the stock was very in a good spot, but now we have seen a little bit of drop. What does that mean? I think that it is here. I think that we are seeing here. I think that we are seeing some profit taking and day trading. So what do I think about the future of NIO? I think even though I'm not as I would say, this is just for as I've said before, this video is just for entertainment purposes. So what can we say about NIO? So NIO, in my opinion, what is going to happen with NIO in 1 year time? So I think that NIO in 1 year time, it's probably going to be about $80 to $100, maybe even $200. It all depends, because we have seen a huge rally in the stock market for the EV industry. We have seen a lot of stocks grow exponentially, and we have seen, for example, a drop in Tesla. Tesla, in the past, it used to be a great growth. We have seen a big growth and we have seen a split. So we have seen that it was pre-split, it was $64 if we adjust the prices. And then we have seen a huge rally from March low, which was $85 to 242, which was, as we can see here, was the highest. No, the highest was $498. So can we expect still growth for Tesla? Of course. Tesla is a great company. Tesla make great products. They have the best, in my opinion, the best visionary and the best CEO, Elon Musk. So as long as Elon Musk is the CEO of this company, I predict a great future for this company. I think that around in 5 year times, we are going to see Tesla at around $1,000 or $2,000. So Tesla is a great company to own. I own that. So I think, as you can see here, we have seen all the quarters Tesla beat the price predictions. So I think that if you're long on Tesla and if you invest right now, I think it's a okay opportunity to invest. I'm still planning to invest some more in Tesla at these prices, because I am thinking about 10 years, and in 10 years time I think that this price would look cheap. From the future looking back, I think that this price is going to look cheap. So this is from a fundamental point of view, because I think that as long as Elon Musk is the CEO, and as long as they are innovating at this pace, they are going to be successful. but uh, I still think that we're going to see a clash with NIO in China, because I think that probably the Chinese government is going to push forward with NIO because they have given their backing. So it's going to be a tough fight there, but I think that Elon Musk is going, if he's going to innovate at the same pace that he is innovating right now, we're going to see a huge potential for this company. And I think that for the future, we're going to see some great growth from the airlines industry, and the from the industry and voyage, like Carnival cruises industry. We're going to see a huge rally in the future, and we're going to probably see, I think that it is possible to see a small growth for these companies because of the vaccine news. I think that Pfizer has a big roadblock because the vaccine has to be stored in very cold environment. So I think that we're going to see some problems with it. So cold storage remains harder for Pfizer vaccine distribution. So here I think that we're going to see some problems in the future. But I think that in around 4 months we're going to see the end of the Ronnie Rona case, and so we can expect a better future. If the lockdown happens, there is an expectancy of the Dow dropping, they're saying about 4,000 to 5,000 points. I think that it can happen, but I don't think that we're going to see drop in as much as we have seen in March, because in March we did not know anything about the Rona. Now we know a lot about it, and we are still making progress. We are expanding our knowledge and our treatments. So here in Europe we have total lockdown, but I think that in the future we're going to ease up as soon as the vaccine comes out. I think that Moderna is going to release their news this week. We're going to see what happens, but I think that it has already been priced in. I think that Novavax, with their nanotechnology, is going to create some momentum, and they're going to actually give some good results. So even Motley Fools acknowledge that, and they said that the coronavirus vaccine stock Robinhood investors should buy now. And they are saying essentially that Robinhood Robinhood traders should own. So they're saying that for retail investors that we should, as retail investors, that we should own Novavax. So that is great news for Novavax shareholders, and let us see today what's going to happen. I wish you a good trading day. Smash the like button if you want to support our work, and until next time, bye bye.